E-commerce, electronic commerce. E-commerce can be described as the process of buying or selling products, services, or information via computer networks. E-commerce is currently one of the most important aspects of the internet era. Just like the words email, ebook with the prefix E stands for electronic. Commerce and internet makes e-commerce. It also allows the consumers to exchange goods and services with no barriers of time or distance. E-business. E-business entirely depends on the internet for its every intra-company and inter-company activities such as procurement of raw materials, marketing, finance, manufacturing, selling and negotiation. The goods can be either tangible or intangible. These are tangible goods and these are intangible goods. Software, copyrights, patent, etc. E-business. A company can be called e-business if and only if it has the ability to conduct business electronically over internet. It manages payment transactions through internet. It has a platform for selling products and services via internet. E-business. This is the building block of e-business. Network infrastructure, multimedia content and publishing, messaging and information distribution, common business service infrastructure. All these builds the e-business. E-commerce. The goods, information or services are delivered in tangible or electronic form. Goods, example, mobile phones, digital cameras, clothes, accessories and antivirus. Information, example, subscription to some newspapers, scientific journals, television channels. Services, example, matrimonial services, placement services, etc. Tangible form. Example, a digital camera purchased by a consumer from an online shopping website which might be delivered at the requested address. Electronic form. Example, a music album or a software downloaded from a site which might be delivered in electronic form. Comparison between traditional commerce and e-commerce. E-commerce is not just commerce anymore. Even though they share the primary principle of buying and selling goods and services, there is a difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce. Let us see some of the difference between traditional and e-commerce. Traditional versus e-commerce. Traditional commerce is buying or selling of products and services physically. E-commerce carries out commercial transactions electronically on the internet. Customer can easily identify, authenticate and talk to the merchant. In e-commerce, neither customer nor the merchant see each other. In traditional commerce, physical stores are not visible to be open all the time. In e-commerce, it is always available on all the time and all days of the year. In traditional commerce, products can be inspected physically before purchase. In e-commerce, products can't be inspected physically before purchase. In traditional commerce, scope of business is limited to particular area. In e-commerce, scope of business is global. Vendors can expand their business worldwide. In traditional commerce, resources focus supply side. In e-commerce, resources focus demand side. In traditional commerce, business relationship is linear. In e-commerce, business relationship is end-to-end. In traditional commerce, marketing is one-way marketing. In e-commerce, it is one-to-one marketing. In traditional commerce, payment is made by cash, check, cards, etc. In e-commerce, payment system is mostly credit card and through fund transfer. In Traditional commerce, most goods are delivered instantly. In e-commerce, it takes time to transport goods.